Hey guys, I'm Mozzarella. Welcome to the channel if you've never been here before, or if you have, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing week. And this week we're making spicy Italian baked egg. This is a great recipe for breakfast, brunch, or lunch. And if you're into healthy food, it's also very healthy as well. But before we start cooking, remember to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's go and start cooking. For this recipe, we need capers and sunblush tomatoes finely chopped. In a pot, we add a can of chopped tomatoes, dry oregano, salt and black pepper to taste, sriracha sauce, fresh basil, garlic, and the chopped capers and sunblush tomatoes. We leave the sauce to cook for approximately 15 minutes at a low to medium temperature. In a pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil to warm through the ham until it's crispy. You can also use bacon. are my spicy Italian baked eggs, perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a light lunch. If you want to make them vegetarian, just omit the ham or substitute it with a vegetarian option. Sometimes I also like to add some chopped black olives, leftover grilled vegetables, or leftover meat. These are great if you are cooking for a crowd, as you can make them ahead and leave them in the fridge, then on the day just add the egg on top. Thank you for watching. Head on to the blog for the ingredients quantity. Link is in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Check out some of my other video recipes at the end of this video. See you next week with another delicious recipe. Bye!